here's where we are. I'll use a pointer. So I've mounted the chuff board from John Will. It's a good board, really like it. I've got my cam calibrated. I started to do some of the wiring. I've got some of the wiring hitting off towards the engine. We'll have to create that harness. I've wired in the smoke motor. The gray or the orange and brown wires are the smoke motors. I put in a new invention, a locking screw to keep the motor housing in and keep it from rotating so it's always aligned with the brass tube. And I've got another new invention from my friend Ed. It's a ceramic coated resistor. We scrape off the coating and now we get about 225 degrees of heat through this 25 watt resistor, 25 ohm resistor. And I just tested it and it's working beautifully. So I now have my smoke generator with this updated technology for the heater core. I have my fan works, but I wasn't able to demonstrate the fan pushing air out. And I think it's because it was just all in the open and I had my music running too loud and I couldn't hear anything. So I'm going to do another test tomorrow. Plus I'm using a little 9-volt, which I've used all day today on a various number of things. So it may be running out of juice. I may have to get a new one. In any case, that's where it is. Started wiring things up. The cam is figured. This is done. This thing is mounted now. This is not mounted, but it's tightened up and ready to be mounted once I make sure my fan's doing what it's supposed to do. So maybe tomorrow we'll have another hot day and we'll be able to get more done. It's coming together slowly and carefully. Okay, later.